Well, thanks for stopping in on this blustery day here at Bladerunner Tool Sharpening's Before and After. A gentleman just brought by this old Bowie knife, and he said, he says, I was going to give the darn thing away. He says, but it fits my hand so perfect. He says, I can't do that. So can I sharpen it up? And is there any way possible to get some of this off of there? I go, man, it's going to be tough, but I'll give it a shot. So we're going to do this. We're going to clean it all up and sharpen it all up, and we'll show you our results when we return. Hey, well, thanks for hanging in on this episode of Bladerunner Tool Sharpening's Before and After. That Bowie knife I was showing you a little bit earlier, well, it turns out it was, and I kind of thought it was when I had it in my hands, it was a Western. I looked all over on the blade for the name and couldn't find it. Well, it turns out they put it on the handle guard, and it's a W49 series. Of course, I polished up the hand guard and the pins. They pop right out of that handle. I cleaned up the rust off of the tang and along the spine. And then, of course, I took the rust off the side of the blade. He said just clean it up as best you can. It is rust pitted, so sanding down would probably take care of that, but that's a long and arduous process. So he said, no, just sharpen it up. I'm just going to use the darn thing. Nice point came out on that. Really beautiful little edge. It's super skinny out here, so it doesn't take much to make a beautiful edge on this thing. And that is what makes the world go around here, Bladerunner Tool Sharpening's Before and After. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hey, give us a like and share our Facebook page, and like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And remember, with Bladerunner, there's never a dull moment.